you expect me to talk, Goldfinger?
No, Mr. Bond, I expect you to die.
Yeah? Where do you think I am? Ah, fuck! Team kill! Friendly coming out! Cool. Did you find anything? Yeah, cool. Tea room, isn't it? Tea room with that little guy under. Watch out. Tea room. Kinky. What is he doing? Hit. A deer? Yeah, there's shitloads of them. It's a lot less impressive when they're penned up like that. I wasn't ready for the countdown. I haven't put my gloves on. And my stocking suspenders are falling down. What am I going to do? Sorry about this.
No windows down here.
You've been engaged? That was quick. Who is the lucky girl? There's a yellow player all the way down there. You see him? I ain't got the range here. Oh, thanks for the warning. Hit. Oh, shit! Okay. Ah, fucking hell. Are you red in there? Yeah. Cool, I'm red too. Sorry, you're lucky I'm a terrible shot. Shot! Shot! You get it? Yeah. Front window, front fucking door, it's a corridor. All the way down. There's one there and one all the way down the end.
Just wanted to say thank you to an excellent fella called Ritzy, who, upon seeing me break my AR-57's low receiver, sent me one in the post for free, for absolutely nothing. That's exactly what airsofting is about. It's all about good teamwork and honour and good sportsmanship. Thank you, Ritzy.
Ah, fuck! Oh. Yeah, alright. Oh.